Hello everyone, here is Decrypt Made in China, and I'm Xiaowen. Our goal is to open a window to all around the world to know what is real made in China. Summer is coming, many people start to think about hair removal, and compare with going to the traditional institution and pay a lot of money, more and more people want to DIY at home. So today we found a Sphere freezing hair removal device from OSD, this one. Let's open it first. Here is a user menu. It's the goggles, the charging cable. Okay, the two together is the charger. This one, a shower. And the last one is our machine, the hair removal device. Okay, that's all. Usually when we search a hair removal device, here usually have two different types, the lasers and the intense pulse light, which we also can call it IPL. Lasers use one wave of light, which we can also explain is one color, and the IPL is use mixed light, so the IPL is more gentle than the lasers. And here we need to talk about how does it work for removing hairs. The light need to go to inside and destroy our hair follicles to stop the hair growth. So it's going to burn out our skin when it's passed through inside. That means when we use other hair removal devices, we feel painful. And some of them may use the metal materials around the lamp, this part here, so that can let us to feel calm down after painful. But this one is different. You can look at here. Here is a whole piece of sphere which can drop the temperature at the same time when the lamp is working and prevent our skin burns. So this one is no painful at all. The sphere is one of the best optical conductors and is perfectly flat. Here is no gap between the skin and the machine, so the energy can pass through the skin directly to the hair follicles more efficiently. So in transmission process, the loss of energy is negligible. It can minimize the skin burns caused by light, but strong control of the hair follicles. You won't feel anything, just a little cool when the skin are removed perfectly. Look at the illuminant inside, you can see a speck in the middle here, right? That's because this one is made of quartz instead of glass. This means this machine can be used for 600,000 times, even more than a person's life. And the wavelength of light they use is from 510 to 1100 nanometers. That one is not really safe for eyes, so we need to use the goggles they prepared when the machine is working. Another thing that always bothers us is the machine's body heating. The worst case is the machine gonna stop working. So OSD, they choose to use aluminum alloy to build the whole body here, which can dissipate the heat faster. And they also equipped a 3-watt design and one cooling fan at 8,500 revolution per minute. And let me tell you, very many same type products on the market can only go to 6 or 7,000 revolution per minute. You can feel the difference, right? And you can use this one continuously for half an hour, no problem, and just get slightly warmer. By the way, let me tell you, when we taste it, this one a little bit noisy. It has 5 strands you can choose depending on your skin color and your hair color. And here is a small but user-friendly design. Look at here. These two eyes is the light sensors which can double check are we using it or not. To prevent accident injury eyes, it won't start emit light unless you let it touch the skin totally. And it can avoid unnecessary trouble, especially the family which has the small children. Usually we use it twice time per week, and about 6 to 8 weeks, the hair will gonna be removed perfectly, but this one depends on the different hair types. Just to remind you, this one you cannot use it in the bathroom. It can only work in the dry environment. If you think this one is suited to you, and you can find the link in the description down this video. Hope this video can give you some useful information. If you are interested in the tech products, you can subscribe our channel, and hope see you next time.